Most of us are taught from a very young age that there is a singular, well-defined finish line for financial success, a predictable bi-weekly salary. Get the degree, land the job, and let the direct deposits roll in. But imagine two coworkers who receive the same exact raise on the same day. One of them treats the extra money as proof they can finally spend a little more freely. They upgrade their car, move into a slightly nicer apartment, and let their expenses rise to meet their new income. The other coworker automates the entire raise straight into an investment account before they ever see it in their checking balance, and keeps living exactly as they did the day before. This chart shows what those two decisions look like over a 5-year timeline. Despite earning the exact same total income, their financial realities diverge completely. That massive gap in net worth isn't the result of talent or hard work. It's the result of how each person interacts with the underlying structure of a paycheck. While we are conditioned to see a salary as a safe haven, a closer look at the mechanics reveals several hidden costs that penalize anyone who relies on a wage exclusively. The first cost is built into the mechanical rule of a wage. It is a strict one-to-one transaction where you trade your hours directly for dollars. This one-to-one ratio creates a mathematical cap on earning potential. Your input hits a hard limit, bringing financial output to a stop. Wealth building requires building systems, like a small business, that generate revenue independently of your presence. This means directing effort towards structures that continue paying out long after the initial labor finishes. In the time trap, your income drops to zero the exact second you stop showing up. We often treat a predictable job as the definition of financial safety, but predictable and secure are two very different things. Drawing 100% of your income from a single employer creates concentrated risk. It places your entire financial timeline in someone else's hands. One bad corporate quarter, a sudden restructuring, or a layoff can erase your livelihood overnight, decided by someone else on their timeline. To neutralize the larger system of diversified income streams, whether that is freelance work, rental properties, or automated investments running in the background. True financial security is impossible if a single external decision can destroy your entire foundation. Beyond time and risk, relying on a standard wage carries a literal mathematical penalty written directly into the tax code. This flowchart tracks a standard paycheck. Before you access your capital, the money is reduced by automatic withholding. The tax code provides an alternative path for business income, allowing gross revenue to pass through a reinvestment filter before taxation. Utilizing these advantages requires generating a form of income that exists outside a traditional salary structure. Treating a wage as your sole source of income means quietly consenting to pay the maximum possible premium to the government, year after year. Leaving a stable job is rarely the immediate answer. Employment provides the essential capital to begin. The risk lies in maintaining a financial life where a standard salary remains the only operating system. Shifting your strategy requires evaluating every move based on whether it is an asset that puts money in or a liability that takes money out. Your current job becomes a funding mechanism, a way to acquire the autonomous income streams that will eventually replace it. Financial independence begins when you force your wages to work for you, rather than working exclusively for the wages.